Alright, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marius Tech. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you, my Ghana fellows, on how to set up the new 4G/5G Vodafone Ghana APN settings for a fast, secure and stable internet access in Ghana. So guys, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. And if you get any problem, the comment section is going to be left open. You are free to comment, and then let us continue. So the first step, as usual here at Marius Tech, when you are dealing with the APN settings, we visit our phone's settings, or you can come right here and scroll up, and then once you scroll up, you select settings, and then when we select settings, you're going to open our settings. But due to differences in our devices, you're going to come right here where you have search. We are going to use this search bar. Due to difference in in the devices, we are going to use our search bar. But if you try to go one step by step, beginner friendly, you're going to come where we have dual SIM and mobile network. When we choose dual SIM and mobile network, we are going to choose our SIM 1. So guys, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Please, I just beg, like the video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So choose your SIM card, your preferred SIM card. Mine is SIM 1, this one, which is Vodafone. Then after, choose access point names, that one. When you choose access point names, you're going to come right here where you have a plus button. Also, due to differences in the devices, let me show you where plus buttons may be located. On some devices, the plus button can be found right there. On others, the plus button is here. Or on other devices, you can be seeing a word new APN right here. We are holding different devices in our hands, developed by different developers. So you guys can go on with those press buttons and find where they are located. But don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video. Once we check that press button, the name we are going to strictly use Vodafone, and then the APN we're going to be strictly using internet. Don't leave a space. And then after, the port, the proxy, don't set it. Port, you're going to be connecting to port 8080, and then the server, you're going to be using https://www.google.com. The reason why I'm using the Google server to stabilize, to prevent slow connections. The port, the MMS, you don't set that. The proxy don't set the port. Right here, put 8080. Sorry, I'm seeing it to somewhere. And then by doing that, don't set any other thing, because once you set any other thing, these settings won't work perfectly for a fast connection. So leave everything like that, and then after leaving them, you come where we have a save. When you press the save, make sure that the green button is right here. in the in those Vodafone settings. But when you have more than 3 APN settings in your device, for example, let me try to create a fake one. Let me show you. And for example, it is enabled. Make sure that this cap button or the green icon or the blue, due to difference in devices, it is right in the Vodafone. When it is right in the Vodafone, you'll be able to connect to a fast and secure internet access. So guys, that is it, and I sign out. I love you all. Let us meet in the next tutorial.